I beg to call the attention of the Minister of Railways to an important issue affecting the residents of Collem, Kale and surrounding village in South Goa. The prolonged cancellation of local passenger trains, specifically train number 07380 Vasco to Collem and train number 07379 Collem to Vasco, due to ongoing railway doubling project from Collem to Vasco, has created severe challenges for the local population. The suspension of these trains has disproportionately impacted the daily lives of villagers, particularly students who rely on these services for commuting to educational institutions and employment opportunities. Despite persistent representation made by the local villagers to the South Western Railways, a resolution has not been reached. The absence of alternative transportation from Collem to Vasco has led to significant hardship for students, workers, employees, and domestic passengers, while good trains operate seamlessly on the same route. Sir, I urgently request your intervention to address this matter.